Hi everyone, I'm Error Slaya and today I'll tell you how to fix Roblox error code for 103. We have two different fix methods. Let's start with the first one. First step, go to the search bar at the bottom left and search for the run command, and open it. Type %app.a% in the run command that opens and click the OK button. Enter local file. Find and delete the Roblox file. Now reinstall Roblox. You've probably fixed the error. If not, try method 2. Right-click on Roblox Player and select Open File Location. Find Roblox Player beta.exe and right-click it, and click on the Properties tab. Click on the Compatibility tab. Finally, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. First click Apply and then OK. I hope you found a how to fix error code for 103 in Roblox guide helpful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to the Error Slaya channel. See you soon.